Morning, friends. So how are we feeling this morning? I am going to demonstrate some simple yoga exercises you can do on your bed while waking up from sleep. Pardon me if I don't look the part today. So you can just start by stretching your leg out on your bed and slowly lean in so you get a good stretch on your inner thighs. Hold it for a few seconds. Inhale nicely and slowly come up. Shrug your shoulders out. Gently lean into one leg. Inhale nicely and slowly float over to the other side. Hold it for 5 or 10 seconds and you gently come up. Pull your leg in. Pull your shoulder blades together. Make sure you're breathing in very nicely at all times. Very good. And slowly extend that leg out again. Always make sure your toes are pointing out. Just put the other leg in. Beautiful. Inhale nicely, grab the other leg, and pull it in so you get a good stretch on your quadriceps. So if you can't do the both legs at the same time, you can do one, then extend it out and then do the other. But if you can, you bring the second one in so you get a full stretch on your quadriceps. Inhale nicely, float your arm up. Inhale. Take a deep breath. Just try that one more time. Beautiful. So slowly extend that leg out for me and pull it in together. Make sure the legs are not overlapping. Take a deep breath, slowly turn to one side. Inhale nicely and rotate your neck to the other side. Just waking up from sleep, you might feel a little strange from here and there. So you can just slowly rotate your neck from side to side and anti-clockwise. Gently drop your head back so you get a full stretch on your neck area. Very good. Inhale nicely, drop your chin to your chest. Very good. So grab the opposite hand on the opposite knee. Place your palm down on the floor beside you and just give your back a gentle twist. Very good. And slowly do the same on the other side. Beautiful. So you can lie back on your bed. And just slowly float your leg up. Point your feet nicely towards the sky, or towards the ceiling rather. breath. Slowly point that feet towards your face. So you get a full stretch on the back of your lower thighs. Inhale nicely, grab one leg and cross it over and gently pull it in. Take a deep breath, slowly reach for your feet. Make sure your back is well relaxed and just hold it there. You'll feel a whole lot of stretches and pulling on the back of your thighs. So stretching the whole leg muscles, preparing for the day and all the hustle the day has to bring. Beautiful. Slowly release that leg and return this one, and then you reverse the same move on the other leg. So pull it in as close to your body as possible. Take a deep breath once again, reach for your feet. Inhale nicely, slowly release. From this angle, you're just going to slowly tap one leg at a time. So you can just try that 2 or 3 times on both legs. Very good. At this point now, move closer so you have enough space. Pull that leg in towards you. Inhale nicely. Slowly lock your arm in between your legs and feet facing each other. Just hold it there for a few seconds as well. Inhale nicely, slowly release the feet. So there's something I want you to do for me. You're just going to open the leg as wide as you can go. Just try that 3 or 5 times. Just to get the whole synovial fluid moving around your body. Beautiful. I hope you all enjoyed that. So yeah, you don't need to get off your bed, you don't need a mat, you don't need any equipment. These are simple yoga moves you can do right on your bed when you wake up in the morning. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you guys once again. Bye.